What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. In this video, we're checking out HongKong BTC Bank, Hong Kong swap. You know, y'all already know what's happening in the space right now, right? Hong Kong officially can buy and sell crypto. No regulations. They could degen just like us, and a lot of projects have arrived to, you know, capture that market share before, you know, capture that market share early before, you know, the narrative fully takes off. So right here, empower your Hong Kong BTC Bank. Hong Kong BTC Bank is a public supervision, proof of stake, public knowledge which can support faster publishing and lower costs. It itself is a sidechain running on BSC network. The platform provides cross inclusions with other ecosystems. So it is a sidechain. So it is its own blockchain. Empower your blockchain with Hong Kong BTC Bank. It's audited by Solid Proof. Nice. Chain compatibility, a DeFi place that enables traders to achieve financial freedom, scalability, security. It is a blockchain. The name Hong Kong BTC Bank was chosen because it embodies three key principles: power, potential, and ability. These principles underlie our core vision for the platform, a place that enables our users to achieve financial freedom by exploring the full potential of decentralized finance. Now, a lot of these videos, right, I see a project, I see it, and I'm like, I don't really get, I just, you know, go into it like a blind reaction to it, right? And sometimes I see, I'm researching while I'm making the video with you guys, and then a project, you know, shocks me, right? A sidechain to the BSC network. Follow the evolution step by step. This is their roadmap: token launch, HKB DEX release, staking, dev team expansion, mainnet development, block explorer from. So it is a blockchain, a side chain for BSC network, just like Polkadot with its parachains. This is super bullish, man. Hold on. I think we got a gem. I think I just found another gem. So mainnet development, block explorer for mainnet, bridge infrastructure development, DEX token on mainnet. Oh man, that's nice. We are here to make the DeFi ecosystem better. You could obviously go through the white paper as well. After studying the needs and desires of users, we have enhanced the platform, provide incentive, utility, functionality through several upcoming features. Got the white paper, HKB swap, Discord, staking, mainnet, 8,500 holders. I see the wallet distribution, 38% burn. They got 10% towards the DAO, 8% in Pancake Swap's liquidity. So basically, you know, ton of supply is out. Around 50% of the supply is basically, you know, locked up. Amazing. And then the wallet distribution on BSC scan, you know, amazing as well. No single individual holds 1% of the supply. Bullish wallet distribution here. This is a bullish project, guys. I'm taken aback by how bullish it is. Then we got the section ID feature. This is for the developers right here. Staking, DEX liquidity pools, auto compounding, 0% buy tax, a 1% sell tax. Nice stuff. Okay, just a 1% sell tax. That's not bad. Discover the new frontier of DeFi. Let's go to the Twitter. I like the website as well. 3,500 followers on Twitter. Marketing, wallet, token destruction. So that 1%, they're using it to burn tokens as well. This is pretty bullish. And this was a recent tweet. That was June 1st, just a couple days ago. Nice, man. Very nice. 1% tax on the sale. That's not it's not terrible. You know, it recently had a huge explosion. Man. Went to wait, really? No, that can't be the case. That can't. Is that all it did? Around 2.5x from its flat line here, and it's coming back down for looking for another entry. 720k market cap, 673k in 24-hour trade volume, liquidity locked for a year. This doesn't look bad at all, guys. This project does not look bad. You know, trade HKB on bond swap, border swap. We'll see what happens, man, because it's less than $1 million in market cap, so it could potentially be another 10x from here, 30x. Who's to say that can't happen, man? I wouldn't rule it out. I see the use case. It's aiming to be one of the top side chains for Binance Smart Chain. It has a mainnet that's gonna be released. We know projects always pump after a mainnet release. Got a blockchain, 1% sell tax. That ain't bad. Like, just 1% on the sell tax, no tax on the buys. Could be a huge banger right here, guys. I'm not gonna rule it out at all. If you hold HKB, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Also, to get early access to this content, become a Patreon, guys. You also get access to my private Discord. You know, we're gonna find these gems, we're gonna find these gains together, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.